Manipal Public School, Katihar. I was introduced to the AI tool Semantris by our English teacher Abhijit Paul sir. I absolutely enjoyed using it and I could think of more and more words real quick. With further usage, it will definitely increase my vocabulary. I am grateful to CBSE and Abhijit Paul sir for introducing me to this AI tool. Thank you.
My name is Krishna Kumari and I'm a student of class 10 from Manipal Public School. In today's English class, our English faculty, Abhijit Paul sir, introduced various artificial intelligence softwares. We all enjoyed it a lot and we were amazed to see that in such a critical situation of COVID-19, our technology is still developed and now we are using it to make our study convenient. I'm shooting this video to give my feedback on this regard.
I'm going to show how we can form poems through artificial intelligence program Poem Generator. I personally like sonnet and limerick forms of poem, so I'm choosing sonnet. Now, we will fill the boxes with the required information. Here, suggest option is also available in case we are not able to find a suitable word for our poem. I will choose love. I want to write a poem about a statue. Now, three things that I like about statue. Smile. Now, three verbs that can describe the object. So, I'm choosing still, stand, and see. Now, we have to put some adjectives relating to the noun. First is motionless. Second, I'll go with beauteous. Third, I will go with conspicuous. Then large. Then admiring. Then elating. Then yellow colored. And at last, lifelike. And here we are asked to provide the month which we would like to add in our poem. So I'm choosing the month of April. And at last, I'll provide my pen name. So I will give my full name, Krishna Kumari. And here is the sonnet. This is how it helps to give new ideas as well as improve vocabulary. At the end, I would like to thank and express my gratitude to our English teacher Paul sir and CBSE boards for making our complex studies so convenient to understand. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Anya Pandey, a student from class 10th of Manipal Public School. Today in our English class, our English teacher introduced us with many assertive and innovative tools and applications introduced by the CBSE for the benefits of the students. We really enjoyed the class very much and I'm very glad that we the students are getting such an opportunity to enhance our knowledge and creativity through artificial intelligence during this pandemic. For me and in my regard, I just want to say,
So hello everyone, let me show you an innovative and creative tool for storytelling, AI Dungeon. It's a free to play single player and multiplayer game which uses artificial intelligence to generate content. It also allows players to create and share their own custom adventure. And I must say, for a student, creativity is very important. It acts as the dungeon master, taking you along for a unique adventure. You just need to put in your action and the AI generates results. So amazing. And I thank our respected teacher Abhijit Paul sir and the CBSE for introducing us with such great tools. Really, it is very beneficial for us. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Rania Arif studying in class 10th of Manipal Public School, Katihar. Our English teacher, Mr. Vijit Paul, introduced some AI tools given by the CBSE board in collaboration with Intel. These tools are provided to make classes more interactive and fun during this pandemic. One of them is Mystery Animal, so all we need to do is to go to Google Chrome and type Mystery Animal, a voice experiment. And then we click on this and we have 20 questions with the answers of yes and no, and we need to guess the animal. So this tool is indirectly helping us to know more information about the nature and the importance it holds, and it also increases our information and also eases up our minds during this pandemic. Thank you.